Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a little simple look. I know uni, school, college, whatever you go to, sixth form is around the corner. I'm just gonna do this little natural, I think I'm gonna do like a bit of pink as well. I love pink. So this is just gonna be a going back to school look with all drugstore products, because I know the struggle is real. We haven't got time to be spending money on £40 foundations like. So the eyebrow pencil I used today was the MUA pencil. Guys, this is affordable. It is £1. So you uni students, you school students who are on a budget, thank me later. So I'm going in with the same old LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is around $3.99 to $4.99, like the average cost basically. This concealer lasts ages. I've had this since last year. Just look, it's like, it's nearly empty, but it's not empty yet, so we're gonna use it today. Probably tried this foundation like once and I liked it, to be honest, so I'm gonna try it today. The Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. It is in the shade Golden Caramel. This is the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix and Spray. It's $3.99. It's very reasonable, it lasts long. You can use it to dampen your brushes and sponges and also set your face. So today I'm just gonna dampen this sponge right here. It's from Real Technique. So for concealer, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Like I said, this is $3.99 and such a good, reasonable concealer for your highlighting and to colour correct anything you want to do with these concealers. They do it. So yeah. Then I'm taking my Real Technique sponge and the same spray I used before. I'm going to spray it on. I don't really want like a dark contour, so I'm gonna use this palette right here. I believe it was like, I think it was like £8 or something, and I'm sure I got it on sale on the Tam Beauty website, or whatever you call that website. It's the darkest shade right here to contour out my nose and my cheekbones, a bit of my forehead to get that kind of shrinking, and a bit of my jaw. You know what, yeah, no one believes me when I say you can actually push your hairline up so you can blend out your contour more on your forehead. Like, look, this is what I mean, look, see, I literally pulled my hairline back. So I'm gonna go in with my Black Opal Satin Powder. Wear it, trust me. So this is in the shade Neutral Light. To set my contour areas, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Cocoa. And then to set my face and wipe off the excess, this is the Black Opal Finishing Powder in the shade Deep. So for eyes, I'm just going to be using this palette right here. This palette's so cute and it's pink also, well, it's peach. So I'm going to go in with this colour right here. And then I'm going to be taking this colour right here. I'm going to focus this colour more into my crease. Then I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here. I'm going in with my mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious Mascara. I love this mascara. So if you don't want to put any eyelashes on, then you can skip the eyelashes and just go straight to setting your face and stuff. So that's it for my eyes. I'm then going to be taking my favourite lashes. You know me, I love these lashes. They're so dramatic but yet so natural. These are the Ardell Natural Lashes. It's 134, that's the number of the lashes. I'm going to set my face with the same fixing spray I've been using for the past how long in this video. Guys, these smell so good. Go in with this Revolution strobe highlighter. This is like a pinkish kind of colour. I don't know if you can see this. So here you have it, guys. This is the finished look. For those people who haven't got short hair or don't want to go to uni or anything with like short hair, this is the look with some hair. This is a frontal here, this is it there. Before I go into more detail, I'll show you the back real quickly. I'm sorry if literally all of my head's kind of like here. It's because I have to keep like kneeling down like this. This is 4 bundles of 24 inches, I'm sure. Yeah, 4 bundles of 24 inches with an 18 or 20 inch frontal. I can't remember, but I'll literally list down below. I haven't tried body wave hair in ages. The hair, it is very soft. It is very soft actually. I've had this hair for what, like 2 months. I've worn it like on and off. The curl pattern has dropped. I noticed it drop around, I say week 3. It dropped to these kind of like loose waves. It is a wig, so I do take it off at night, so I couldn't tell you if about the matting or stuff because I do brush it before I take it off. So right now it hasn't matted for me, but there's people that do sew-ins or sew on their wigs. I don't know if it would be matted. That's just my honest opinion. I wouldn't know. So yes, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You take